Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you a simple way to fix the Shopify 500 error and get your store running smoothly again. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once inside, look for the menu icon and go to Privacy and Security. This is where you can troubleshoot potential browsing issues that might be causing the error. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. Clear your cache and cookies. These can sometimes interfere with Shopify updates or create temporary glitches. Make sure to keep any important passwords or form information unless you can re-enter them later. After clearing, refresh your browser and check your store. This often resolves the 500 error by giving your browsing environment a fresh start. If the error persists, consider contacting Shopify support or checking your internet connection and device settings. And that's it. Following these steps should help your store get back online without technical headaches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.